Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Caught by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button. Welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Caught by Police channel. As usual, we prepared another great episode full of all sorts of crazy moments caught on police dashcam. Let's not waste our time any further and dive straight into today's episode. Police in Williston, North Dakota, arrested a man after he refused to show his ID. In footage captured by the suspect, two police officers are seen arriving as he's about to leave. One officer can be heard asking the suspect his ID, which he refuses. The situation quickly escalates and the suspect is detained.
See, there's ones right there. Those little brown poles all around the entire building.
You pull up your car and then you plug in? Is that?
That's what they're there for. Is for heating those vehicles that have the heating elements
Oh.
and stuff.
Oh, all
We
right.
also have outlets up front if you need it.
And the Wi-Fi works out there?
Yes, but I want to make sure you understand. The Wi-Fi is not unlimited. It doesn't go all the way over to the park.
No,
It
I would
doesn't
just.
go-
Excuse me, sir.
I would just park over
Yeah.
in the parking lot.
Right.
We gotta go.
So yeah, this is all.
Oh, yeah,
closed
okay.
up, though.
Do you have your ID on you?
Oh, sure. I'll exchange IDs with you.
Shoot.
So let's have
Can I-
yours.
Can I have your ID, sir?
Yeah, give me your ID and I'll give you mine.
This isn't actually an option, sir. I'm going to need you to give me your ID.
I'm not. What are you talking about? An option? What's
Sir.
the problem?
Okay, I'm going to let you know. You cannot leave. You're lawfully detained. If you try, I
Oh,
will
all
place
right.
you into handcuffs. You
Okay.
understand?
What's the problem? What's the crime?
I need your ID. You
and
need to
for.
leave.
Okay. What
Now,
is it? Do I
give me-
stay here or do I leave?
Give me your ID, or you're going into handcuffs. This is your last chance.
Okay,
I'll
relax your
exchange
arms.
IDs with you. I don't know.
Relax your arms.
Okay, let me put this in my pocket then. It's hard to
Knock it off. Stop it.
French police fired shots during the pursuit and subsequent arrest of a man under suspicion for kidnapping 3 prostitutes in Paris. This dramatic video shows armed police surrounding the suspect's vehicle on Rue de Charonne. The Catalan Regional Police Service, Mossos d'Esquadra, have arrested at least 17 people who they believe are linked to a jihadist cell based in and around Barcelona.
Police have arrested 6 men following a fight that broke out at the parking lot of a shopping mall in Miri. Police arrested 6 local men aged between 19 and 34 years believed to be involved in the fight. The case is being investigated under Section 148 of the Penal Code for rioting with weapon and Section 427 of the Penal Code for mischief. ACP Alexson also advised the public not to speculate on the incident and said those with information can contact the Miri Central Police Station at 085 433 222.
A suspect was arrested on Monday after 7 people were killed in 2 related shootings Monday at agricultural facilities in a California coastal community south of San Francisco, police said. And with this clip we reach the end of another episode on Caught by Police channel. Make sure to write us your opinion about it down in the comment section below. While being there, please do like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, stay safe.